You mentioned that something
happened, right? Or no? Or you just exaggerated?
I was exaggerating.
So nothing happened?
No.
You never got assaulted?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Called 911, right?
Yeah.
And clearly on the 911 call, I heard the voice message stating that.
On May 11th, 2025, officers in Hanover Park, Illinois, responded to a 911 call from a woman accusing her boyfriend of rape. When police arrived, she calmly retracted the claim, admitting she lied because she was upset during an argument. The investigation revealed she had actually attacked him, striking him with keys and the handle of a knife. The boyfriend had video evidence. She was charged with domestic battery and making false reports to 911. Here is the legal breakdown.
Hello, did you call us? Did you call police? Ma'am, did you call police?
Yeah.
Do you have a knife on you?
No, I do not have a knife.
Because the dispatch mentioned that you may have a knife on you.
I have this on
Just
me.
that? No sharp objects, anything?
I have nothing on me.
What happened tonight?
Well, we just got into it, and he was acting crazy. I don't even want to get into all of it, but it doesn't matter.
Well, obviously you called us for assistance, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, like he was, so I was like, well, then I'm going to too.
So, okay, so because you saw him on the phone with police, so then you called after
Yeah,
him?
because I'm not gonna sit here and act like I did everything wrong when he's the one that was acting
Okay.
like.
Okay, obviously you guys had some situation going, okay? That's why we're here, right? We just
Yeah.
want to make sure that you are guys okay. Obviously you guys had some argument going, right?
Yeah.
So are you hurt at all?
No, I mean, I'm fine.
You have no injuries on you or anything like that? Though nothing physical happened or something happened? What happened? Huh?
No.
What was the allegation you made over the phone?
What do you, I've known her for 2 years, but we've been off and on for the last couple months.
Okay. What happened today?
We just got in an argument.
About?
It was literally over just anything stupid. It was nothing serious.
Okay. You mentioned that something
Happened, right? Or no? Or you just exaggerated?
I was exaggerating.
So nothing happened?
No.
You never got assaulted?
No, sorry.
Okay. Quick question. How his shirt got ripped off?
I fell.
Ripped?
I fell.
I'm sorry?
I fell. I came out of the apartment and we were arguing and I fell.
You fell? What do you mean you fell?
Well, I've been drinking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how his shirt got ripped if you fell? Did you try to
I was just grabbing to reach so I didn't fall. Like I was trying to catch myself.
catch and then you caught his shirt and that's how they got ripped?
Yeah, we were very
why you were falling though?
Yeah, because I tripped.
Tripped on what? Tripped how?
Like over my foot.
Over your foot? Inside or outside?
Outside.
Like outside on the
Yeah.
here? Not inside of the
No, it was outside. There's.
What made you trip though? Like just over your feet?
Yeah, so not these steps, but over there by the front door, there's a little dip, and I just literally tripped. It's kind of stupid, but yeah.
You don't have any weapons on you, right? Or anything?
No,
Don't
I have just.
okay. Just want to make
Do you have your ID with you anywhere?
Not on me, no.
Do you have a picture of it or anything like
Yeah.
that?
No
I
weapons?
do. No, I do.
No weapons in the, none of you guys have firearms inside?
No, I'm not allowed to have firearms.
Okay. Just came back from work maybe?
We just moved in 5th.
Yeah. But how long you guys been arguing before we showed up? Or
Not even an hour.
okay, he was gone before an hour? He was gone?
Yeah.
So you were by yourself inside?
Yeah.
And then he came back and you guys started arguing?
Yeah.
Over what though? Do you remember anything
I was
specific?
hanging out with my friend Becky. I've been friends with her since 2020, and he said I was outside with some guys and was talking to us about the
Outside
dog.
like here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down there. And anyways, but yeah, so that's what.
So he got mad over that you were with someone that he didn't know?
Yeah, he thought I
pretty
was
much?
talking to some guys, and I
Okay.
wasn't. Yeah.
Okay, and then, alright, and then what happened while you guys were arguing?
We just kept arguing, and we came outside because he was gonna leave, and I tripped literally over something like that, and I fell, and I just.
As you were falling down, you said you were trying to catch yourself, and and you grabbed him by the shirt.
Yeah.
So when you were falling down, you were up, in front of him, or you were in behind him?
I was in front of him.
In front of him? Okay.
So how was his shirt ripped off? If you don't mind me asking.
It was a little corner like that.
But you were in front of him, correct?
Yeah.
So how does you falling
I was just trying to catch myself. I wasn't really.
Well, you were falling forward?
I was falling backwards. I was in front of him.
You were falling backwards?
And you were trying to like reach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see your hands real quick?
Yeah.
And then is that was outside or inside when you were falling?
What happened to your finger?
It's my nose. I have a.
You were outside when you were falling, or you were inside when you were falling?
I was outside, right in front of the door.
Outside. Okay. Did you end up falling or no?
No, I mean almost, but no.
You didn't fall down. You were able to like hold to his shirt while you were.
Like it wasn't a fall. No.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
So you were not pushing around, or you guys were not pushing each other around?
No.
Nothing.
I mean,
So everything was fine when he showed up, and then you guys, end up in a bed, and then you guys start arguing?
Yeah.
So how he found out that you were outside?
I told him.
Okay.
Literally just talking to them because they asked me about their dog that had ran away. And asked if I had seen the dog. And I guess when he had pulled up, he saw me outside with her and some guys, and he thought I was up to no good because I've been drinking. And
wait, he saw you outside with some people? What did he say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was just talking to them because they said that their dog had ran away or whatever. But I was with my female friend Becky.
But he got mad when he saw you.
I tripped over literally a curb like that, and that's how the shirt got ripped.
You guys hit after you were arguing outside, or
no, before?
Before. When did he saw you outside?
Yeah,
he was coming from work, right? That's what he told me.
Like we got in an argument over the text messages.
Text message, okay.
But then, when he came inside, we were fine, and then we started to have and it didn't go too well, and then,
Oh, what happened after this?
Then that was the argument, and we came outside because he was going to leave, and that's when, because I fell in an accident with for sure.
Okay, any with tonight?
Yeah.
Does he drink too much? Any abuse of drugs or anything?
No.
You guys have void cards?
No, I can't have police.
Well, okay. No, guys, he's saying that you attacked him with, keys. In your left hand, you had keys, you hit him a couple of times, and then with a knife, with this part of the knife, not with the edge part, you hit him a couple of times. Is that true or it's not true?
No.
Okay. Can I ask you to just put your hands out of your pockets? I trust you to have anything sharp or anything that might hurt me, but still, let's keep it.
Yeah, sorry, no,
polite and stuff.
It's cold.
No, I understand. I'm cold as well, but please keep your hands out of your pockets. There we go. Thank you. So. What do you want done? What's going to happen after a while?
Are you
guys keep on living together or what? Oh.
Yeah.
So you guys been together for on and off 1-2 years or something?
Yeah,
Okay.
Under Illinois Statute 720, ILCS 5 Section 12-3.2, domestic battery occurs when a person knowingly causes bodily harm to a household member. It also covers physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature. Striking someone with keys and a knife handle clearly meets this threshold. As a class of misdemeanor, it carries up to 1 year in jail and a $2,500 fine. A conviction can never be expunged in Illinois. The false rape accusation triggers far more serious charges. Under 720 ILCS 5 Section 26-1 subsection A4, filing a false crime report is a Class 4 felony. Subsection A6, separately, criminalizes false 911 calls when the caller knows there is no reasonable ground for the report. A Class 4 felony carries 1 to 3 years in state prison and fines up to $25,000. The court must also order reimbursement for emergency response costs up to $10,000. These penalties exist for good reason. Every false report diverts officers from real emergencies. Every fabricated rape accusation undermines genuine survivors and exposes the accused to devastating consequences. The prosecution must prove the caller knew the report was false at the time she made it. Her own on-camera admission satisfies this element beyond dispute. The officer's investigation deserves close examination. They followed textbook domestic violence protocol separating both parties and conducting independent interviews. The lead officer's questioning technique was particularly effective. Rather than making accusations, he asked precise mechanical questions about the torn shirt. How could she grab his shirt from behind if she was standing in front of him? Was she falling forward or backward? These contradictions expose the lie. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. These officers exceeded that standard. They reviewed the boyfriend's video evidence, assessed physical evidence, cross-referenced both accounts, and only then made their arrest determination.
I have a couple of questions before we get you going or whatever's going on. Like, you called the 911, right?
Yeah.
And clearly on the 911 call, I heard the voice message stating that he had but you just said we had sex. Did he rape you or he didn't rape you? Because these ones can go south.
He didn't, I didn't want to sit there and say that. Yeah, I know I didn't want to say that, but I was just upset.
Did he rape you or he didn't rape you?
No.
He didn't rape you?
No.
Why did you say it over the radio?
Because we were arguing and I was upset. And
you were upset, that's why you lied?
We were,
you're saying somebody you, that's a big deal. Now you're saying he didn't you. You cannot be lying to the police stating that somebody can end up in jail because of something like that. You know, right?
The officer's admonishment is worth highlighting. He told the caller directly that someone could go to jail because of a false accusation. That is not an exaggeration. A rape conviction in Illinois carries 4 to 15 years. Had officers not investigated thoroughly, an innocent man could have faced those consequences.
Turn around now. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
a little bit more.
Can you please look at it?
Oh yeah, we're just fine.
This one is fine. Right in front. I've got it.
You shouldn't have anything that's going to cut your stick. The guards will have you know.
Yeah, I don't know if we
For domestic. So in all the procedures, we need statutes and all that stuff, so we need to explain more. Take a seat, I'm going to give you some mic in a second. Watch out, please. Just investigator. Yeah, he showed me a video. You hit him a couple of times. Yeah, he's got a video you're holding your keys in your left hand, hitting him again with a knife. You hit him twice. I'm gonna show like, give me just a couple minutes.
Now for the grades. The responding officers receive an A-. Their investigation was thorough, professional, and legally sound. They maintained composure, followed proper protocol, correctly identified the primary aggressor, and addressed the false accusation with appropriate gravity. The minor deduction reflects the absence of a documented Miranda advisement on camera, though this may have occurred off-screen. The female caller receives a D. She fabricated a rape accusation, a Class 4 felony. She attacked her boyfriend with weapons. She lied repeatedly to officers. Her only credit is that she eventually admitted the truth. Without that admission, and without the boyfriend's video, the outcome could have been catastrophically different. The boyfriend receives a B+. He remained calm under extreme provocation, cooperated fully, and had the foresight to record video evidence of the assault. That video proved decisive. His deduction reflects that remaining in a volatile relationship pattern creates ongoing risk for both parties. The lesson here is clear. False accusations carry real felony consequences. Anger is not a defense. A 911 call is a legal act, not an emotional weapon. For the accused, this case demonstrates the power of documentation. Video evidence transformed a potential wrongful arrest into a justified one against the actual aggressor. For officers, this is a reminder that the initial caller is not always the victim. Thorough investigation, not assumption, determines the truth. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.